I see, I was very fortunate that I got the opportunity of going there, which not everybody does. Okay. But then you gain the knowledge, you gain everything, but then over there, you are one of the many. Okay. When you come back home, you bring all the knowledge, you share your knowledge. So you are sharing, you are amongst the few who can contribute more to the country. Initially, I was in Pakistan. I was involved in developing the dental services at the Aga Khan from ground level up. I was their first person to start that department, and then you took it. And now, when I see, even after I've left, it's continuing to grow. It's very rewarding and very satisfying. Going to the UAE was another opportunity in my
Right.
life. So you continue share knowledge, and being a clinician plus an educator, that was my aim. I was always involved in education. I always enjoyed contributing to increasing the scope of clinical practice of the clinicians.
Dr. Vinay, this is so far the most selfless comment that I have heard among so many of my sessions, because I can genuinely not imagine somebody not planning their career around their degree of Howard and around the country, within the country that they graduated in, especially if it is as developed of a country as USA, right? But I'm very glad that you did make that decision. Otherwise, we might not have had you in front of us today. So I want to talk
Thank
to
you.
you a little bit about your UAE experience as well. When exactly did you move over there, and how, in what capacity are you working over there exactly?
I moved to the UAE in 2004.
Okay.
And when I moved there, I used to still come back to AKU and contributed to teaching, because we had started the residency program, which was affiliated with the College of Physicians and Surgeons. So I continued contributing to that, and of course treating patients until an extended period of time. And in the UAE, I was the head of the dental services for the Department of, at that time it was called the General Authority for Health Services, that was GAS.
Oh, okay,
And
okay,
then it
yes.
was converted to it was renamed to HAD, which is the Health Authority of Abu Dhabi. And then it split into two sections, which was an operatory and regulatory arm. So I continued with the operatory arm, which was Saha, and I was the head of the dental services of all the outpatient dental clinics of Abu Dhabi and Al Ain. So there it gave me an opportunity to increase the number of clinics, their outpatient clinics, to raise it to another level, and it was a very exciting trip.
It sounds exciting. Like, imagine being in such a great leadership position where you're able to create opportunities for other dentists such as yourself from Pakistan and like across the world, etc. So, Dr. Nat, how would you comment today on the status of general dentistry in UAE exactly? And like, do you think it is a wise idea for Pakistani dentists to pursue going and working in?
I think in any now the trend is going towards specialization.
Say,
To be very honest, a general dentist is needed, but you have to go in for specialization. And honestly, in the UAE, that's the trend. They are looking into more specialities, and rather than hiring just general dentists. So you need to specialize in a certain area where you have a better command of your practice, and that's the trend over there.
right.
You know.
Okay, I think that's an important information to have and kind of burst sub necessary
And
bubble.
yeah, and just to add, you see, it's not that you only need to go to the United States or UK or X, Y, and Z to get your postgraduate education. We started the education in our own country, in Pakistan. We started the FCPS program, and that is recognized as a specialty. But of course, there are certain requirements that after you graduate, you have to have 2 years of clinical experience, and you take your exams to get your specialty. But this is in any part of the world. If you graduate from here, you want to go to practice in America, you have to take the license exam. So it's exactly like that. It's not that it is not recognized. It is very much recognized, but you have to fulfill the requirements, which is for any part of the world.